Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating the journal record inside Blair so entries remain organized. Open Blair and tap Plus Journal. Name it clearly so searches find it fast. Pick a template that matches your workflow because templates apply structure and speed future entries. Once done, set privacy to private, team, or public depending on who needs access and add key tags for filtering. Make sure to complete default metadata fields like date and author to keep consistency across entries and enable reliable sorting. You now add your first entries and structure them for ongoing use. Start each entry with a concise title, then use headings and bullets to break ideas into scannable chunks. This improves later review. Attach files or images to preserve source material and insert the timestamp macro to record when you made the note. Once you have several entries, link related notes and apply consistent tags so Blair's search and filters surface what you need quickly. Enable autosave before long edits to avoid losing work. Finish by reviewing the journal for completeness and setting final permissions so the right people can view or edit. Export the journal as a PDF for static sharing or CSV for data analysis, and back up to your cloud storage to ensure redundancy. If you plan collaboration, invite teammates and assign roles. If something goes wrong, like sync or permission errors, force refresh the app, check your network and account status, and re-login. This resolves most issues, and then retry the operation you were performing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.